I'm feeling so elated right now. After 50 years, and he's finally free.
Criminal charge against George Williams, the mental ill man who spent 50 years in prison without a trial, has been dropped. The charges were dropped Wednesday when Williams appeared in the St. Catherine Parish Court.
I'm feeling so elated right now. After 50 years, and he's finally free. You know, words can't even explain how I'm feeling right now. I'm really, really grateful. Thanks to Jamaica stand-up group, Mr. Buchanan and his team. He did a very great job in such a short time. And I hope for the rest of inmates that is in there incarcerated just the same time like Mr. George Williams, I hope justice will be served in the short space of time that justice has been served to my uncle, George Williams.
Amen.
And what's your name?
Amen.
My name is Pamela Green, George Williams' niece.
Amen.
You can't hear me?
Okay, right. So this is certainly what I like to call swift justice, and so I'm very happy. Stand up for Jamaica, Miss Galato. If you, I know we're observing social distances, but Miss Galato is
No,
the one.
I don't want to say it.
She's the one who certainly had reached out to me, and we assessed it, and I went to see George. So to know that all of this happened in 7 days, certainly in a perfect society, you could appreciate that this is what we want for our justice system. And so I would just implore all and plead to all defense attorneys that there are many of our brothers and sisters still in there, and we need to be able to assist them like we did for George. And we're all excited.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content. And remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.